back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I have a curated Christmas home decor haul where I'm going to share with you the things that I picked up within the last couple of weeks for the Christmas season here in our home. I am so excited to be bringing you all of the Christmas content. Like I've mentioned in a few of my previous videos, if you do have any requests for Christmas content, make sure to leave them in the comments below of this video. As always, I will link as much as I can shown in today's video, so if you do see something you like, make sure to check down there. Now, if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on my other social media accounts like Instagram and TikTok. Those will also be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for being here for today's video, and let's go ahead and get into this curated Christmas home decor haul. Getting right into the video, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, CVS. Now, I did pick up a bunch of great Christmas finds that I'm so excited to share with you. Now, CVS is making your life easier this season, whether it's last minute gift giving, stocking stuffers, or home decor for your house. They've got you covered. Now, I'm going to go through the things that I picked up, share with you how I style them here in our home, so that hopefully you guys can get some inspiration. Adding small chic decorations can make such a difference, adding holiday cheer into any room. The first thing that I picked up are two Christmas trees. One of them is this beautiful glass gold Christmas tree, and then I also got this flocked green one as well. I really love these two together. I thought the contrasting colors looked really pretty together. I'm truly impressed with both of these. They are such great quality, and I was so happy to find these over at CVS. The next two things that I got are these beautiful reindeer. These were $9.99 a piece. One of them is standing and the other one is laying down. I absolutely love the coloring of these. It's a deep brown. It almost looks like a faux wood. And then it has this really pretty greenery right around their neck. Now, I did also pick up this 3-piece outdoor gift box set. This was $24.99, which is such a good price, and these are so beautiful. Highly, highly impressed. I got 2 of these so that I could decorate with them around our home. You can also obviously put them outside, but they also look so beautiful indoors as well. I also picked up a candle. This is in the scent Emerald Spruce. It has the crackling wood wick, which is one of my favorites for the Christmas season. It just gives a nice little woodsy feel in your home. This one on the front says Jingle All the Way. It's a really pretty emerald green color, and it smells absolutely divine. Now, I also picked up this cute little white snowflake with some glitter on the front. This was $3.99, so very affordable, and this is the perfect piece to add a very simple holiday touch to a bathroom or an area where you don't want to go all out. Now, the last thing that I got are these glitter tree LED candle sets. These were $14.99. It does have a built-in 6-hour timer, which is great. They have glitter all over them, so perfect for the Christmas season. So that is everything that I got from CVS. If you guys want to make your life easier this holiday season, definitely check out your local CVS store. They have everything you need, from decor, stocking stuffers, last minute gifts. They have you covered. Thank you so much to CVS for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get into what else I picked up. These next 2 items I got from Joann's, and I am so impressed with these. They are a Pottery Barn look for less. They come in 2 different colors and also 2 different sizes. So they are the infamous reindeer, and I absolutely love this color. I was wanting the gold color for such a long time, but I didn't want to spend the money on the Pottery Barn version. So I did get both sizes. They have this really large version and then a smaller version as well. I was so shocked when I picked these up in the store because they are so heavy compared to the Pottery Barn ones. They are great quality and the price is fantastic. They are on sale right now, so now is the time to get them. As of filming this video, they are still in stock, and they were just stocking my local Joann's. So make sure to go check your local store if they are for some reason out of stock by the time this video goes live. The next place that I stopped was Hobby Lobby. My mom and I went here the other day. These were $29.99 and the smaller one was $21.99. 50% off, I believe, for all of their Christmas decor, but they are these really pretty flocked Christmas trees. I got them in this beautiful white color and this brown color as well. I absolutely love the shape of these. They're like the downswept trees and they're just stunning. Of course, I haven't decorated for Christmas quite yet. I'm going to start today or tomorrow, but I can just imagine these in so many places of my home, so I knew that I had to bring them home with me. I did also get some more of this velvet ribbon that I picked up last year. These are super affordable. I believe they were 50% off when I went, so $7.99, 50% off. You just cannot beat that price. What I use these for is my flocked ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby. I thread them through so that I can use that to hang them on the tree. It just gives it a little more high-end look. I plan on posting a video over on my Instagram showing you guys how I do that. Now, I did also get this massive sleigh. My mom actually found it for me, so thank you so much to her for finding this. So this was $49.99, 50% off, so $25. This thing is absolutely massive. When I went to her house to go pick this up, I was so shocked to see how big it was. Now you're going to see in the next item that I got, it is a woven sleigh as well, but it's from Magnolia, and it is much, much smaller than this, and I paid double the price of what this was. So definitely a huge steal if you are looking for one of these woven sleighs. They're very popular this year. Definitely check out Hobby Lobby. Some of them are kind of like messed up and damaged, so just make sure to take a peek at the one you're getting if you do find one at Hobby Lobby. My mom said she found a lot of them that were really, really messed up. So just a tip, make sure to pay attention before you do buy one. So here's my Magnolia woven sleigh. I believe this was $48, so definitely pricey. Now I will say the quality of it is much better. It is not going to fall apart like the Hobby Lobby one. I also like the color a little bit more on this one, but if you are wanting a more affordable option, the Hobby Lobby option is definitely great as well. This one is perfect for even like a kitchen countertop or something, a smaller area. Hobby Lobby sleigh is massive, so you're gonna wanna style it on the floor or something. You're not gonna really be able to put it up onto something. I thought about putting it in our arched cabinet and putting it on the very bottom shelf since the spacing between the shelves is so big, but I'm just so excited to style both of these. I know that they're very popular this year, so I wanted to let you guys in on the little look for less, where you're going to get double the size and half the price. Now, I haven't been able to see Threshold's Christmas decor yet. Every time I go to our local store that's closest to our house, they don't have anything out yet. All the Hearth and Hand is out, but the Threshold stuff isn't yet, so I'm not sure what's going on. I was able to order this for pickup, and it is from the Threshold Studio McGee line. This was one of the items from this release that I wanted so bad. So when I saw this was available for pickup, I immediately added it to my cart and went and picked it up later that day. It is all that I hoped and dreamed it would be. It is absolutely stunning. I love the gold detailing on the frame and the Christmas tree. This was $20, so pretty affordable for the size. Again, no idea where I'm going to be styling this. The options are so endless. I could think of like 5 or 6 different places right now. So make sure to stay tuned for my Decorate With Me's to find out where I put this. Now, I did also go to HomeGoods the other day. It had been so long since I had been there, so I stopped by. One of my friends on Instagram has posted this tree. Her name's Tiffany. I will leave her account down below for you guys. So this was $6.99. She has posted these trees all over her story. I think they have 4 or 5 different sizes. I could only find this one. I absolutely love the organic and earthy feel of it. I really hope that I can find some of the bigger sizes, and I'll keep checking back and hopefully go to other stores as the season goes on. But I couldn't pass this one up considering it was only $6.99. Now, I did also get a new wreath. This is from Kohl's, and it is absolutely beautiful. I showed it in my Kohl's shop with me, and I told you guys that I really wanted to go back and get it. When I went back, I not only had my Kohl's cash, but it was also Monday again, so I got an additional 15% off for military. and this was the last one, so I think it was meant to be. I plan on putting this in our primary bedroom on the barn door that we have going into our bathroom. I love how realistic it looks. It's just absolutely beautiful for the winter season. You can leave this up all winter, which I absolutely love. I will probably hang some gold bells from the top of it just to give it a little more of a Christmas feel. And the last thing that I wanted to share are these honeycomb trees from Walmart. They come in a ton of different styles and colors, also a ton of different sizes. The ones that I got are $8.68. I got these really pretty green and white trees. Now I have posted over on my Instagram how I styled these over in my parents' dining room. I don't know if that video is going to go live before this one or not. It should be going live before, so I'll leave it linked down below if you'd like to see, and I'm also going to be putting here on the screen how I styled them. I absolutely love these. They're so affordable and they're also so easy to store. You just put these together with a magnet and then you can easily disassemble them and put them back into these boxes. So if you guys see them at your local store or they're available online for shipping, definitely pick these up. These are a must-have for the Christmas season. Now that is going to complete this curated Christmas home decor haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and like I said, I will link as much as I can in the description box down below for you. Thank you to CVS for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out all of the links to the items that I shared with you from CVS for this holiday season in the description box down below, and make sure to take advantage of all of their great finds this year if you do want to make your life easier this holiday season. Also, a huge thank you to you guys for being here for today's video and supporting my channel. It truly means so much to me. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on my other social media accounts. They are all linked below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.